Hi, this is Marie Watkins from FreedomLab.biz with another cheat sheet video from the series Video Marketing with No Regrets. Learn to love creating video and reach a larger audience at the same time. If you don't have time to read my blog, this is the bullet point version of my post in just a couple of minutes.
This is the highlight video for the post, your video messaging and purpose. Beyond the technical aspects, a key element to cover is your video messaging and purpose. When you plan your video, you need to understand who the video is for, and what the purpose of the video is. You create videos to spread brand awareness, make sales, create engagement and a relationship with your viewers. So how do you attract people to your site? The main purpose of a video that takes people to your website or landing page is clear. You want to create curiosity about your brand, products and services. You may also want them to click through at this stage to the next step you have in mind for them, be it an opt-in or offer. To accomplish this, you need to know who your audience is, what their problems are and what they need. Then create a compelling message for them to respond to your call to action. Persuading viewers to buy from you, at this point, you've gone past the first date. You can present useful offers to viewers who know, like and trust you. In this type of video you expose some common problem they have and explain the benefits of using your product to solve it. Your video can sell even when it's a product review or how-to. People will warm up to you even more as they learn how much you can help them. Teach your buyers to use the product. Teaching customers how to use their new purchase is a great way to interact with them. It also helps to minimize returns and refunds because they're more confident in using your product. You'll find many more tips detailed in this post on FreedomLab.biz. What to do next? Get all 12 posts plus our resource kit, the ultimate PowerPoint shortcuts, how to make surprisingly stunning video without a camera. Just click the link below to get yours.